choice. Here's to nothing, hope the tears were for something. Can we drink?
Peace. What's good, guys? ThreadBeast. ThreadBeast, baby. Back at it again. Oh, it's already been pre-cut. Go ahead and open it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's get started, shall we? Take the wrapping paper off. Here. Ooh, nice. Okay. I like these. Nice. Nice. Pretty cool. Okay. I like this. I like these jeans, man. I like this. Pretty interesting. Interesting choice. This is by Elwood. So I do like this. I like the color. It's interesting. Something different. Okay. I wear these to probably just hanging out with the boys. That's it. Wouldn't wear it to work. Nothing like that. Nah. Let's continue. Okay. Alright. By Diamond. I like this. I like these shorts. Interesting. Seems like they might be comfortable. They probably are. Good shit right there. So, interesting. And no, the hat I'm wearing was not sponsored by them. I bought it from a buddy of mine at work. So, yeah. So let's get right here. This is pretty cool. I do like this. I like this shirt right here. Pretty cool. Wow, I love the colors. Black and the gray stripe. Love it. Yeah, really cool. This is by Claire, I guess, or something. That's pretty interesting. Okay. I'll wear this. I wear this hanging out with the boys and going to movies, mall. Yeah, even to the gym. So yeah. So far so good. Got this. This is nice. Jack and Jones. Like the navy blue. And that's for work. And that's really about it. Work. That's it. I'm gonna get some drinks. That's about it. Finally, got a hat, another hat. So this is by Iranian skateboard company. Interesting. I do like this. So yeah, this is an okay box. Felt like they could have done better with this. In general, this is an okay box, but it could have been a lot better. But this is decent, you know. So yeah. See you guys. Peace.